How to trade crypto on Bitget Exchange Easy 2022 tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. Yes, I bring you back with yet another crypto tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be discussing another crypto trade exchange website, and it's called Bitget, and it's a totally new and advanced website. And on this website, I'm going to be showing you how you can get signed up, how you can set up your account properly, how you can add your payment billing details, and then we're going to get into the basics of how you can add, deposit, or withdraw cryptocurrency, how you can add or withdraw your fiat currency, how you can trade on the spot market, how you can use the different charts, what are the different billing or subscription processes on Bitget. We're going to go through all of that and we're going to discuss the whole exchange website. So just keep watching. I'm going to explain it in the most simple and easiest steps possible. It may look complicated, but it's not. Trust me, it's very easy. All I want you to do is watch the whole video till the end and listen to my instructions and just follow me. And by the end of this video, I guarantee you that you will properly know how to use Bitget Exchange to trade your cryptos. Okay, so let's get right into it. Now, obviously, there are many crypto exchange websites like Binance Exchange, Coinbase, KuCoin, Crypto.com Exchange. These are many great websites, but trust me, when it comes to Bitget, Bitget is a totally new and advanced website for your exchange, and I just recommend you getting right into this because you're missing out if you're not. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to go to bitget.com, obviously. So now once we're in bitget.com, we're just going to wait for this to load up. Now, once the Bitget sites loads up, here you can see, here's the nice old interface. You can change the light from light to dark because obviously no one likes light. Okay, so once you come here, you can see this whole nice interface. Bitget also provides you the KCGI 2022 Football Edition because obviously Bitget is partnered up with Leo Messi, and you can just go through that if you want to. You can win up to 100 bitcoins using that, and that is like amazing. 100 bitcoins is around 330,000. That's a lot of money. So yeah, without further ado, what we're gonna do is we're gonna obviously see the interface here. Down over here you can see the market trends. So the popular future trades are obviously the Bitcoin by USDT, Ethereum by USDT, and all of these. If you go on the popular spot market trades, it's Bitcoin by USDT, Ethereum by USDT, Bitcoin by USDC, Dogecoin by USDT. And you can check their 24-hour rate change, their last prices, and just how the graphs are going. And obviously, if you don't know what this slash USDT is, this is basically a stable coin that people use to buy Bitcoin. So, and if you don't know what a stable coin is, you can check that video out. I have a video on it on my channel. You can just go ahead and check it out, where I have described very endearingly of how this whole stablecoin business works. So once you know all that, we're just going to go down and we're going to see fast and easy cryptocurrency trading and high quality customer service. There's innovative products, industry leading security, excellent customer service. It's just very up to date and way ahead of its time. You can trade anywhere. It has its own apps. It's on Google Play. It's on App Store. You can download the API version. There's the whole beginner's guide that you can look into. You can see their different partnerships. And yeah, there's just much, much more. So without further ado, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and sign up, obviously. So once you go on sign up, you can either sign up with your email or your phone number. So obviously I'm going to go ahead and sign up with my email. You're going to put in the password and make sure to do whatever they ask. Then you're going to verify yourself, and to verify, obviously it says up here what you're going to have to click. So you're just going to click that, verify the capture, and once you are verified, what it's going to do is it's going to send a verification code to your email. So you're just going to go to your email like I am right now, and you're going to see the code. Mine is this. So you're just going to put in your code, and once you put in your code, you're going to confirm it. And once you confirm it, here they're going to ask you if you own crypto, because if you do, they're going to have you deposit it to your wallet on Bitget. But if you don't own crypto, you can just start buying it if you want to. So yeah, you're just going to go on buy crypto. So you can obviously continue because you don't have crypto right now on you. So here they say choose your fiat currency, choose the digital currency to buy, choose your desired trading price, and then once you do all of that, you're going to do the P2P user agreement, confirm it. And yeah, what you're going to do now is you're fully signed up with the Bitget Exchange account. Now what you're going to want to do is the thing that I recommend everyone do is to go on your settings, your security settings, and make sure to set your security to like make a Google Authenticator code, because what that does is it sends an authentication code to your phone where the Google Authenticator app is downloaded. It sends that whenever someone tries to make a withdrawal or deposit from your account, and it's just more secure. And in my opinion, you should get that. So once all of that is done, now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna get into the basics of what all of this does. So obviously, if you go and buy crypto, we're gonna see crypto deposit, in which we can obviously deposit any type of crypto we have on us. There's the Express, where we can buy crypto with one click. Now, obviously, this is buying it with your credit or debit card or maybe bank account, whatever you like. And then there's third-party payments. Now, obviously, I'm going to get into the two basics, which is crypto deposit and Express. You can check out the P2P and third-party payments later on if you want to, but I'm just going to get into these two right now. So if you go on deposit, over here you can choose your coin, whichever you want. So let's say you want to do some Litecoin, and you're obviously gonna select the chain name. Yeah, here's the deposit address, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy this address, and you're gonna go to whatever wallet or exchange website you have. Like for example, here I have Nami wallet. Okay, so let's say for example I have a few cryptos in this that I want to send to my Bitget Exchange wallet. So I'm just gonna click on send from my Nami wallet, and the address over here that they gave me, I'm just gonna go ahead and paste it right here. And what's gonna happen with that is it's gonna send the crypto from my Nami wallet to over here in my deposit address to my Bitget wallet. And you can do it with any exchange you have, like even but use Binance, etc., whatever you like. So that is basically the gist of how you deposit any type of crypto you have. Then you can also withdraw it. Now, to withdraw it, obviously you're going to need to have that certain amount of crypto in your Bitget account. So let's say I want to withdraw some Ethereum. I'm going to name the chain that I want. Now, obviously there are different Ethereum chains. I'm just going to go with a basic one. Then I'm going to put in my withdrawal address. Now, withdrawal address, it could be a credit card, or it could be your bank, anything you like, or it could be some other wallet that you have that you want to withdraw it to. And then you can just enter your withdrawal amount, submit it, and what that is, it just easily submits it, and it transacts your information. And this is the transfer record. And the transfer, what you can do is you can just transfer coins from your USDC or your CoinM or your spot market to whatever currency you like. So let's say you have some currency in your spot, which let's say you want to do it from USDT to, let's transfer the amount, let's say 1200. What that's going to do is it's going to transfer the money from your spot tradings to 1200 USDT, and then you can just confirm it and transfer it to your account. So that's basically how transferring works. Now if you're going back on crypto and we go on Express, what Express does is it helps us buy crypto in like the easiest way possible. And all you need to do for that is just put in either your bank transfer or your credit debit card. Now, you can put your credit debit card in for like a much faster transaction, but I just recommend bank transfer because bank transfer takes much less taxes from you. The credit debit card just cuts a big chunk of the tax out, and I just don't prefer that. So you can just enter the amount of fiat currency. If you don't know what fiat currency is your national currency that of the country you live in. For example, if you live in US, it's USD. If you live somewhere in the European region, it's euros, and so on. So you're gonna place in the amount of fiat currency you want to buy, and then you're gonna put in the coin you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy USDT, so 900 of my fiat currency will give me 769 USDT, and let's say 9,000 of my, let's say, fiat currency will get me this much Bitcoin. And obviously, as I increase it, the amount of Bitcoin increases as well. And then once I do that, I'm just going to click on next, and it's going to take me to transactions, and I'm going to make my transaction. And what that's going to do is it will buy the crypto and it'll put it right in my wallet. Now, you can also sell the crypto you have in your wallet, and it's the same process. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and that's how easy it is. Now you can also go to the futures trading and get into the different futures trading. There's the USDTM futures trading, the USDCM futures trading, the CoinM futures trading. You can do the futures grid trading, which is basically you earn with a trading bot, the grid bot. And if you don't know what a grid bot is, it's basically a bot that does all your trading, and you can go check that out. I have a video regarding that on my channel. Just go ahead and check that out if you don't know what grid is and you want to get into it. Then finally comes the markets and the spot. Now if you go on markets, obviously here we're going to see the different assets and the rates they're going at right now. And yeah, here you can see the different futures market, you can see the spot markets, and over here you can just analyze what type of market is best for you at the moment. And as I'm telling you all of this, once you buy or withdraw your crypto, you're going to come in the top right where it says assets. And if you click on assets again, what that's going to do is it's going to show you all of your cryptocurrency right over here. Now, obviously, I don't have any right now, but if you have any, it's going to show over here. And here's just a little shortcut. So, for example, if you have a few Bitcoin, here's a shortcut of transferring, depositing, or withdrawing your Bitcoin. There's one more small feature, and that's earn. Now, using earn, you can just do staking and earn different types of profits if you want to, but I'm not going to get into that. That's just the more advanced details. If you go on spot, now spot is obviously the main trading, and let's go ahead and click on it. And this just opens the proper charts for us. The spot grading is also great on Bitget because it gives us proper candle charts. If you don't know how to use candle charts, you can go ahead and check a video of mine where I have explained how to use candle charts. Now you can obviously analyze these candle charts according to the crypto you want to buy. You can search the crypto you want to buy here. You can search the pairs they're going with, for example, BTC by USDT, Ethereum by USDT, and Litecoin by USDT, etc. And here you can see the different order books. Down here you can see the increment in prices. Over here you can see the decrement in prices. And once you analyze and you see what you like, you can come down here, put in the amount you want to buy or the amount you want to sell. And yeah, that's basically how easy Bitget makes trading, buying, withdrawing crypto. That's basically how easy Bitget makes everything for us. You can trade, buy, withdraw, deposit. You can do anything regarding crypto on Bitget, and it's very simple and very easy. So I hope this video was easy for you. If you have any queries or problems related to this, you can let me know down in the comments and I'll get right back to you. And if you want to see more videos like this related to crypto and different exchange websites, let me know. I will make more for you. But yeah, until then, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. Leave a nice comment if you like the video. Share the video with anyone who is in need of some crypto tutorials or crypto exchange tutorials. But yeah, till then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That's all from me, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.